Hello students, welcome to Studify Success. This is lecture 5 on triangles. So first question is ABC and BBC are two isosceles triangles on the same base BC and vertices A and B are on the same side of BC. If AB is extended to intersect BC at P, we have to show these four things. So first is triangle ABD and ACD are congruent. So firstly, we have to show A, B and D this triangle and A, C, D this triangle. These two triangles are congruent. We have to show this. And given क्या है हमें कि ABC और BBC दो isosceles triangles हैं, which means कि in triangle ABC, AB is equals to AC, and in triangle BBC, BD is equals to CD because they are isosceles, which means two sides are equal. Also, common side here is AB, right? So we have three things. Firstly, AB, which is our common side, AB equals to AC because triangle ABC is isosceles, and BD equals to CD again because triangle BBC is isosceles triangles. So this implies triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD. So which proves our first part. Second part is we have to prove congruent triangle ABP and ACP. ABP and APC. हमें इन दो triangles को congruent prove करना है. So here AP is our common side. Then since हमने prove किया है कि triangle ABD is congruent to ACD, so we can prove कि PAB, which is PAB and PAC are equal by CPCT, and thirdly AB equals to AC because triangle ABC is isosceles triangle. So triangle ABP is congruent to triangle ACP by side angle side congruency. थर्ड पार्ट हमें ये प्रूव करना है कि एंगल थर्ड पार्ट हमें ये प्रूव करना है कि AP बाइसेक्ट A as well as D. So which means AP अगर A को और D दोनों को बाइसेक्ट करता है, इसका मतलब that AP divides the angle A into two equal parts and D into two equal parts. So हम कैसे प्रूव करेंगे? फर्स्टली हमने ये प्रूव किया है कि ट्रायंगल ABD जो है वो so PAB और PAC equal है by CPCT. So this implies AP bisect angle A. Also अगर हम ये प्रूव कर दे कि BPD and PDC are congruent, तो क्या होगा? उससे हम फिर CPCT का यूज कर पाएंगे. So इसको कैसे प्रूव करेंगे? Here PD is our common side and BD equals to CD क्योंकि ये एक isosceles triangle है BBC, and third BP equals to CP by CPCT as triangle ABP is congruent to ACP. So triangle BPD is congruent to CPD. So इसको congruent prove करके हम by CPCT we can say कि BDP and PDC जो है वो equal हो गया. अगर हम equal prove कर देते हैं तो ये proof हो जाएगा कि AP bisect angle D. So हमने ये दोनों पार्ट्स प्रूव कर दिए कि AP bisect A and AP bisect. हाँ, फोर्थ पार्ट हमें क्या प्रूव करना है? दैट AP इज अ परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर ऑफ BC. अगर BC का अगर AP परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर है, इसका मतलब BP जो है वो PC के इक्वल है. सो हम कैसे प्रूव करेंगे? इन फोर्थ पार्ट को करने के लिए हम सबसे पहले क्या करेंगे कि BPD और CPD जो है वो इक्वल प्रूव करेंगे बाय CPCT क्योंकि दोनों ट्रायंगल्स जो है वो कॉन्ग्रुएंट है. देन BP इक्वल्स टू CP, राइट, बाय CPCT. सो उसके बाद हम क्या प्रूव करेंगे? दैट क्योंकि एक स्ट्रेट लाइन है तो BPD प्लस CPD जो है वो 180 डिग्री हो जाएगा. सो अगेन उसके बाद अगर BPD प्लस CPD 180 डिग्री होगा क्योंकि BC इज अ स्ट्रेट लाइन और हमने यहाँ पे प्रूव करा CPD. सो 2 टाइम्स ऑफ BPD हम इसको लिख सकते हैं, राइट, क्योंकि BPD और CPD इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री, लेकिन CPD जो है वो BPD के इक्वल है. So हम BPT plus BPT equals to 180 degree लिखेंगे, then we write as 2 times BPD equals to 180 degree. So 2 से अगर हम 180 को cancel करते हैं तो 90 हो जाता है. So angle BPT equals to 90 degree. So from equation 1 and 2 we can say that AP is a perpendicular bisector of BC. So perpendicular bisector होने का मतलब होता है कि BP equals to PC and this angle that is DPC equal and DPC and DPB 90 degree होना चाहिए. That how we can prove that it is a perpendicular bisector. And next question is AD is an altitude of an isosceles triangle in which and we have to show that AB bisects BC and AB bisects A. So AD is an altitude and ABC is a triangle which is isosceles triangle, that is AB equals to AC. We have to show that AD bisects BC, which means BD equals to DC. Secondly, we have to prove AD bisects angle A, which means कि BAD and DAC जो है वो equal होंगे. So how we will proceed? Firstly, we consider triangle ABD and triangle ACD. Then here हमें पता है कि ADB जो है और ABC, these are 90 degree. हम figure से we can say that. Secondly, AB equals to AC because it is given to us that triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. And thirdly, AB is our common side. So by that is right angle, hypotenuse and side, we can prove that this is a congruent triangle. So triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD. So by CPCT we can say कि BD equals to CD. And again हमें ये प्रूव करना BAD angle is equal to DAC. We can also prove this by CPCT. Hence AB bisects BC as well and AB bisects A. Third question is two sides AB and BC and median AM of one triangle ABC are respectively equal to side PQ and QR and median PR of triangle PQR, and we have to show that triangle ABM is congruent to triangle PQN and ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. So यहाँ पे क्या given है कि AB जो है वो PQ के इक्वल है, BC जो इक्वल है and AM is equals to PM. And हमें प्रूव करना है कि triangle ABM is congruent to triangle PQN. So हम कैसे प्रूव करेंगे? Firstly हमें गिवन है BC equals to QR, right? So अगर हम BC का हाफ करते हैं तो हमें मिलेगा BM. Also BC is equals to QR. So BC का हाफ और QR का जो हाफ होगा वो दोनों आपस में इक्वल होंगे. That is BM is equals to QN. So in triangle ABM and triangle PQN, AM equals to PN given to us. BM equals to QN. We proved here that is BC का half and QR का half are equal. And thirdly we have AB equals to PQ, which is again given in question. So by side we proved triangle ABM is congruent to triangle PQN. Now we have to prove triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. So AB is equals to PQ given to us, BC equals to QR also given to us, and since we have proved angle ABM is congruent to angle PQN, so by CPCT we can say ABC equals to PQR. So when we use in this triangle, that is in triangle ABC and in triangle PQR, AB equals to PQ, BC equals to QR, and angle ABC equals to angle PQR by CPCT. So this implies triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR by side angle side congruency. So students, this is all about today class. If you want to download the notes of this lecture, you can find the link in the description box. Also, you can download the app STUDIFYSUCCESS.